today we're doing another mukbang, whatever. And today we have
McDonald's, but we just put it in a plate because we're sharing most things. Well, we're sharing everything.
So we got 2 large fries.
Yep. We have 1 cheeseburger because unfortunately they didn't give Yonde hers, and
so we're gonna split that.
Her mom didn't want to go back,
so she just gave us her large fry. And then we got a 10-piece chicken nugget,
and then we're gonna cut the burger.
And then we got 3 of each sauce. So I'm the only one who uses the barbecue, so we're only gonna use 1 barbecue and 3 sweet sours.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put the sweet sours this way.
And then we have our drink, which is blue Hawaiian punch, because we didn't get a drink from McDonald's, because we didn't feel like paying because we could have got a drink here.
Yeah. So let's start.
So
I'll start with some fries.
Clink.
Oh, clink.
And you guys should go check out Amaria's video that's posted today. Her part 1. I feel really bad.
Me too.
We're probably not going to eat all this. And we'll just do it for the part that we can eat. Because, like, that's a lot of fries.
Yeah, but I'm, like, a lot hungry. So let's try some.
Let's get a knife to cut our burger.
Yes, we'll do that. So we're also going to do, like, a Dollar Tree haul.
Since we don't have nothing to talk to you guys about. So here's our bag of what we got. Okay.
I don't like cheese, so
Take out her cheese and give it to me. And okay, so we'll do this after.
I'm just doing surgery on my burger. Don't judge.
Why do you have to do it with a knife, Yonde?
Because Yonde's extra. And the knife.
You have to take every part of cheese off.
Yeah. Like,
Why don't you like cheese?
Because first of all, my tooth was on there. Second of all, I don't know. And third of all, McDonald's cheese is like disgusting.
I like cheese and I'm not picking all of it.
Like I eat like mozzarella cheese and stuff, but McDonald's cheese is like disgusting in general.
I don't think it's disgusting. I have a cheeseburger.
So for my chips, we're going to Newport tomorrow. And for my chips, I got these kettle corn popcorns. Chips.
We'll do a haul of this packing. I mean, not a haul video. And I got hot fries. And my mom got that.
And my mom got sour cream and onion.
Okay, so we got lip balms for some reason. And she got that.
I got root beer.
And I got Mountain Dew Beija Blast.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we got, and her mom got Lucky Charms. We got tissues, because, you know, allergies are coming in spring. And then we all got Jolly Ranchers to share.
Yep.
So that was just our little haul.
Happy I didn't get that on camera.
What?
You shoving your burger in your mouth? You shoved her half, basically her whole burger in your mouth. This is really good.
We paused the video.
This will be like 2 hours because it takes a long time to eat.
See. We did that in the last video too. We just did tell you.
Yeah. gonna have a chicken nugget.
Me too. I'm gonna have this weird looking one because it looks like yummy.
And I'm just gonna dunk it in barbecue sauce.
I don't know it. Is sour? Comment below. Where's your favorite fast food restaurant? That's the question of the day.
What's yours?
Mine's is Wendy's.
Same. It's a tie. Not tie, but like it's Mickey D's and then Taco Bell.
Yeah, like after Wendy's, like I love Wendy's. So
Oh yeah. It's probably
Wendy's, then
it's McDonald's, Wendy's, and
McDonald's.
Taco Bell.
and then it's probably well, I don't really like Taco Bell.
I like Taco Bell. I don't really like
I
Burger
only
King.
like their slushies, right? I don't like Burger King.
Me either.
I'll eat it if like
Someone gets
I
something.
used to like love their burgers. Like
Their burgers are okay.
their nuggets are disgusting.
And their fries.
Yeah, those are. But I'll take it because it's $1. So, like for like 10 nuggets, it's $1. So, if I had to eat it, I would eat it.
I would eat it anyway. It's just like not my first choice or it's my last choice.
Yeah. My first choice, like I love Wendy's chicken nuggets.
My first choice is probably KFC.
Yeah.
If we're talking
Then it's KFC.
like KFC, McDonald's, Wendy's, Taco Bell, and then Popeyes. I really like Popeyes.
And then, but yeah, and then Burger King.
Popeyes is probably I'd rather have Burger King than Popeyes.
Like their burgers. Like I'm not a big fan of like chicken. Like I wouldn't eat it on a daily basis. Like I would with burgers, French fries.
I could eat chicken and French fries on a daily basis. Can do burgers on a daily basis.
I can do burgers on a daily basis because that's my favorite food.
I could do sushi all day.
I hate sushi. I hate sushi.
My favorite like normal meal is probably fish. I like fish. Like salmon. Yeah, I like salmon.
Ew. I don't like fish. My favorite normal food, like what I eat the most is cheeseburgers. I hate cheeseburgers.
What I eat the most is ramen noodles.
Same.
Does your brother love ramen noodles? Mm-hmm.
Same. I heard you on it.
Or
Okay, so you
We're
know
gonna
what
pause.
we're talking about?
we're gonna pause real.
We're
Wait.
crazy, and we have like this weird language. Like, but I heard you, Yonde. Like,
Yes, we'll be right back.
oh, dude.
Fries are the bomb.
I'm not a big fan.
Do you double dip? I
Yeah,
do.
I do. But like, I don't double dip. Like, I don't bite it and then do it. I bite it and then do the other side.
I don't. I bite it and then I do it.
But I don't.
I think that's gross. I don't think that's gross.
Me neither. It's only gross if you're like sharing with everybody.
Like a lot of people. If it's like 2 people, it's okay.
But if you're sharing with a whole party,
Yeah, like when you like
oh,
when you have like
okay.
the like salad dressing and then you have carrots and like no, that's disgusting. But if it's like I feel like the max to share dipping sauce is probably 3 or 4. What's your max?
like with other people,
Yeah, I feel like my max is 3.
I feel like my mask will be like a lot of people that is share a sauce. It depends how big it is. Like if it's like this big, like no, honey, that's all mine.
Yeah, but if it's a big sauce,
Yeah, like I just showed up.
but I have to know them good. Can't be like no like bum. Be like, can I get a carrot?
Like
Okay.
if it's a party.
I'm like, yeah, but with no dressing. Like, you know what I mean?
Not with the dressing. Yeah, that's disgusting. I'm talking about like nacho sauce.
I don't like nacho cheese sauce.
Nacho cheese?
I don't like that.
You don't like nacho cheese? Good, because nacho.
Hey guys, we'll be back.
Okay, it's time for the outro. The question
So
of the
guys,
day. I totally didn't do it when Yane was gone. I totally didn't do it and do a little dance.
Okay, but yeah, guys, I was like, bye.